Here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I don't know which field, unfortunately. Rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. And that's what you're seeing there, is the light reflecting off it. Just going a little bit closer. The first piece. I think this will come off. Perhaps cut it into a couple of shorter stones. Pretty well what you see. See the cut. This one. I think that needs to come off like that. A rhombus shaped stone perhaps. It's just on the surface, that opal. It disappears under here. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.